Good day, team. Good day, team. And I know everyone in South Africa, tomorrow is holiday, so actually it means today is our Friday. But tomorrow we still have Mega Million and a Powerball, so I just need to give you something for Powerball and Mega Million. But for now, guys, this is a UK Fortnite. Did you see what I did with that code? We had 226 plus bonus. Actually, we had three numbers. With this, if you stack with 10 rand, okay, let me say if you stack with 50 rand, it's 18k. If you stack with 100 rand, that is 36,000 rand. When it comes to UK 49, I know exactly what I'm doing. So guys, I'm still saying again, there's one of my players, I think he bought a book 2 weeks or 1 week ago. This guy is killing UK like nobody's business. He's even telling me like, coach, this what it. I will never mention his name, but I'm so happy that guy, he bought the book and then like he's doing the most. Because in this book there's a lot that I included, of which even me sometimes I do forget. But then he reminds me, hey coach, just watch that, And then I'm so happy. It's like a coach in the field. The striker tells him, okay coach, can you do this and this, and then I do it and it works. So guys, today we got 2 plus bonus, which was straight, and you can even see I posted 22, 26, and then 12 come at the bottom. Yes, the other numbers like 47, 37, 47 they didn't come, but 22, 26, 12 they did come. So guys, this is the special that I have. I've got the Lotto Edge. It's the first book that you must get. After that, I've got this one, the Lotto Analyst. It's a collaboration with my friend. I've got a friend of mine called Coach Puma. He's a big friend of mine. We hustle together, we work together. And then, so these books, if you see sometimes written Coach Puma and the Lotto Analyst, don't be confused. He's my friend. We work together. We're in the industry for forever together. So guys, as you can see, this is what happened on UK Fortnite. So I gave you a discount of 50% today to get the books. It's from today, tomorrow, and Saturday, Sunday. Then from Monday, the books will go back to 500 rand. Because I don't want to lie to you, because some of you, when they get this book, they will never even text me. They'll just block me because they've got the information. The information for UK Fortnite is in this book. You understand? So guys, yeah, this is what it is, and I'm so happy, and I just want to shout you guys, like, I'm so happy to those that have got the books and those that are making it. People are benefiting from these books. People are benefiting from this channel. I know that I might not have enough subscribers like other predators, but my work will speak for me. My work is gonna speak for me. So please guys, if you want to purchase the book, let me just put my phone number there. 078 126 0741. Understand? And then we do have a website, me and Coach Boom. You can just go to our website, you purchase it from there. It's okay. Or you can text me or the Coach Boomer, and then you get the book. It's easy as that. Or you can just join the group. And my group is once off payment. You don't have to pay each and every month. Once you pay in, you're done. My group is 300 rand payment, and then you're done. So yeah guys, this is what it is. I'll see you too. I'm going to be preparing Mega Million and Powerball today, because I still, this Mega Million guys, they still owe me. Last week I lost with one number 23 because they just spin it and make it 32, but tomorrow it's gonna be another story. I don't want to lie to you. So yeah guys, for those of you who want to join or want to purchase the book, as I've said, like, it's 50% off, which means if a book was 1,000 rand, it's 500. If a book was 600, it's what, 300, because of it's like a Black Friday whereby you discount 50%. Thank you very much guys. I will see you on the next video, definitely, and hopefully tomorrow. Another thing that you must know, you must always have faith in whatever you do. When you're placing these numbers, have faith. When I post a code and say, guys, follow this code, like, have faith. And when you buy a book, take that book, study it. Even if it can take you a week or two, it's okay. But Like, make sure that you study the book, understand it. If you don't understand, you come back to me, ask coach, how do I do this, and then I will assist you. Thank you very much.